Everything is always in motion. The Earth is moving. I am moving. You are moving. In fact, we are moving at 30 kilometers per second. So what do you think would happen if all that motion suddenly stopped? To answer this, let's actually look at how and why we are moving. First, let's look at the Earth. The Earth orbits the Sun at speeds of about 107,000 kilometers per hour, or 30 kilometers per second. So the things on the Earth, that's you, me, and everything else, also moves at a speed of 30 kilometers per second. But that's relative to the Sun. Motion is always relative. That's why when we sit down or even when we run, we don't notice that we are actually moving at 30 kilometers per second, because relative to the Earth, we're not. So, now back to our initial question. If the Earth were to abruptly stop orbiting the Sun at 30 kilometers per second, what would happen? To paint a picture, think of a very fast-moving car. Let's say it's moving at 180 kilometers per hour, suddenly stopping. That's going from 180 kilometers per hour to 0 kilometers per hour in nearly 0 seconds. When the car was still moving at 180 kilometers per hour relative to the road, everything in it was moving at the same speed. So if the car were to stop moving almost instantly, everything not properly anchored to it, say a person without a seatbelt, would keep moving at 180 kilometers per hour due to inertia. An arguable death sentence for the person not wearing a seatbelt. That example should paint a clear picture of what would happen, but the Earth is round and possesses a tangential velocity. So to paint an even clearer picture, think of a high-speed merry-go-round abruptly stopping. Like what you see? Anyway, just like the passengers of a car, every object on Earth has inertia, which means if the Earth were to suddenly stop, everything on it would continue to move at 30 kilometers per second. Everything not properly anchored to the Earth would go splat. Buildings would surely get wrecked. The weather would act up, causing strong winds, huge floods or tsunamis, and a host of other things. Overall, this would be something worth watching from a cool, safe distance, like Mars. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe and comment, and hopefully, see you next time.